Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm going to make some cheesesteak egg rolls. I've made these before, but not in my air fryer, and I've actually filmed it several times, but the footage didn't turn out right. Normally when I make them, I just buy my beef, chop it up real thin, and then continue on, and I deep fry my egg rolls, but I'm going to do them in the air fryer. And also I'm going to use deli roast beef. Somebody from Richard's work actually told him to go buy it in the deli. So we went and found some on sale, and we just had them to slice it very thin. And this is 1.5 pounds, but you can get by with 1 pound. So I have me about a teaspoon of oil heating up in my pan. And I have 1 onion that I've sliced, and then some sliced mushrooms. I don't care for the mushrooms, but Ricky and Alex do, and I can just pick the mushroom out if I see it. But I'm going to get this started, let my onions get started cooking, and then I'll bring you back when I get ready to add the roast beef in. And I want to add, I know Lyle over at No Hippie Barbecue has made cheesesteak egg rolls, so I will link his video below in the description box so y'all can go check it out. Alright, my onion and mushroom has cooked down just a little bit until the onions are starting to turn translucent. Now, this roast beef was bought medium rare, which is fine because it's going to be cooked more. And I'm going to try to chop it a little bit. So now you can season it the way that you like. I'm going to add a little bit of kosher salt. A little bit of pepper. I'm going to add some onion powder. Just a little bit. And some of the adobo seasoning. It's got garlic and pepper in it. And a couple of dashes of what's this here sauce. And I'm going to mix all of this up real good and saute it up. Try to break it apart. And to me, this is better than buying that minute steak that you can buy. I do not like the taste of that. It's gross to me. So I will bring you back once I get this ready. Now, if you like your roast beef this way, if you're using from the deli, the medium rare, you just want to heat it through, that's fine. Ricky can eat it this way, but I'm not going to. That's just me. So I'm going to cook it a little bit longer. Now, if you wanted to get you some of the hoagie rolls or any type of good sturdy bread and toast it, you could do that. Put this on your sandwich with some cheese. And that's how they fixed it. Ricky and Alex fixed it and ate it last night. But I want to make some egg rolls for tonight. Okay, this is ready. It's heated through real good. So I'm going to let this cool for a bit. Get my, get everything ready to make them in egg rolls. Get my air fryer heating up, and then I'll bring you back. Right, I have my egg roll wraps. I have me some water. And you can use whatever cheese you like. Usually we use the white American or provolone, whatever kind you like. But this time, I just got some cheese dip that you usually get for your nachos and stuff. The cheese that's already melty and loose that you just heat in the microwave. I'm just going to use that tonight, so I won't need a lot, and it's the mild. We don't want to overfill these. Now I'm just going to take my finger, dip it in the water, and run it along the edge. I'm not really good at rolling egg rolls. Fold this over, make sure it sticks. Fold that over, and then roll it up. And I'm going to set it aside and get my other ones made, and then I'll meet you back at my air fryer. Okay, I don't know if you can see the top of my air fryer really good, and I have it preheating. You don't have to do that. I just find it helps go ahead and get it going to heat it up for about 3 or 4 minutes. But mine has 175, 250, 320, and 400, and the dots in between, and I have it on the dot in between the 320 and the 400. So now I'm going to fill my basket up. I don't want to overcrowd it, and I don't know how long these are going to take. So we'll go about 5 minutes, and then I'll check them. After the 5 minutes, I checked them. They still needed to cook longer, so I went ahead and turned it all the way up to 400 degrees, and now I'm cooking them for another 5 minutes. Alright, my 5 minutes are not up, but I can hear them sizzling. They're done, and some of the cheese has oozed out, but that's alright. I expected that. So now I'm just going to remove them to a plate, let them cool a bit. Get my other batch going. See, I mean, it took about 7 or 8 minutes, and that's not bad. I'm going to get my other batch going, and then I'll be back to try these for you. Alright, while my second batch is cooking, this has cooled off enough for me to try, and I just had me some steak sauce to dip it in. I do like them. Now, the crust, to me, is not that crunchy like it would be if it's deep fried. I probably should have sprayed just a little bit of cooking spray or olive oil on top of them to help with the crispiness. But I do like them. So I'm going to experiment more with this, and thought I would bring you along as I tried it. Now, I am loving my air fryer, and I will have a link down below where you can get a similar one just like mine if you were thinking about getting one to try out. So thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along as I attempt to make these for the first time in my air fryer. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.